I'm going to show you how to set up the iPhone 16 as well as the 16 Plus step by step. First thing is turn the phone on, just press and hold that power button, keep holding until the Apple logo appears, and then just wait for it to boot back up. Once it boots back up, you should be at a screen like this. From here, from the bottom, you just want to swipe all the way up. Go ahead and choose your language. I'm going to go with English here. Choose your country or region. I'm in the United States. Appearance here, this is the default. Medium's a little bit larger, and then large is even larger. I want mine on medium right there, and I will tap on continue. If you want to set up this iPhone a little bit faster, you can bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. Or if not, you can just go ahead and set up without another device. For myself, I'm just going to set up without another device. Data and privacy, go ahead and read through that. You can learn more down there, or you can just go ahead and continue to continue. Set up your iPhone for yourself or your child. I'm going to set mine up for myself. Face ID, basically a Face ID password. You can set up later and just do it later, or set up later and never do it. But for me, I will do this right now. So I'm going to tap on continue. I'm going to tap on get started right here. And then I'm going to put my face in a square, and then it's going to turn around. And then I just want to go ahead and give a little circle. Just like that. Okay. Now I get two options down here. Use Face ID with mask, or don't use Face ID with a mask. So that's optional. I'm just going to go with don't use Face ID with a mask. I will tap on that right there. Okay, we're complete. Tap on continue. Here you have to make a iPhone passcode, basically a password with numbers. So you have to go ahead and confirm with it twice. And here's one time. And then I got to confirm one more time again. Okay. Transfer your apps and data. Get your existing apps and information like photos, videos, notes, reminders onto your new device. Okay, so you can do that from if you have an iCloud backup, if you have another iPhone, from a Mac or a PC, or from an Android phone or tablet. Okay. So that's optional. For me, I'm going to go with don't transfer anything. I want a clean slate on this phone here, so don't transfer anything for myself. Put in your Apple ID with password now, or you can do it later. I'm just going to go ahead and do it later because I don't remember my password. So I'm just going to put forgot password or don't have an account. I'll tap here, and then I'm just going to go ahead and tap on set up later in settings. I'll just do my Apple ID later in settings. Don't use for now. Terms and conditions, go ahead and read through that. If you agree, tap on agree up there. You can update your phone automatically, or you can only download automatically. That's up to you. For me, I would just tap on continue. iMessage and FaceTime. People can contact you on all your devices with iMessage and FaceTime using your phone number or email address. So if you want to go that way, tap on continue, or you can go not now, or you can go not now and do it later. It's up to you. For me, I would just go with continue here. Location services. Location services allow maps and other apps and services like Find My phone and whatnot, and gather use of data indicating your location. Okay, so you can set that up later, or you can set up later and never do it, or you can do it now. So for me, I'm just going to turn mine on now. Turn on location services. Set up cellular, basically set up your eSIM so you can transfer your phone number for it from a nearby iPhone, or scan a QR code provided by your carrier. Okay, so what I can do is I can transfer my number right now to here using transfer from nearby phone, or if I get a QR code from my carrier, which is T-Mobile, I can go this way. Okay, but for myself, I'm not ready to transfer my number, so I'm just going to go ahead and just set up later in settings, and after I'm done all this, I can go ahead and go back to it to set the eSIM up. Skip eSIM setup, so I will just go ahead and skip for now. And here's your screen time. Go ahead and read through that. You can continue, or you can set up later in settings. I'm just going to set up later in settings and never do it. I'm not even interested in using that feature. iPhone analytics, you can share with Apple or don't share. It's optional. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to go ahead and share with Apple. Same with the app analytics you can share with app developers or don't share. It's optional. For me, I'm fine with just sharing with them. You want light appearance, dark appearance, or you want to do auto. Most of you guys would do dark or auto. For me, I just like to keep mine dark, and then I will tap on continue. And here's silent mode, just read through that and then tap on continue. Your action button, which is right here, right above the volume up. Press and hold to turn on silent mode, on and off. You can also customize the action button to open camera, turn on flashlight, and so on. So you can customize that for this action button if you wish. Okay, for me, I'm just going to go with not now. Camera control, read through that and then go ahead and tap on continue. Here is Siri. You can set up Siri now, or you can do it later in settings, or you can just click set up later in settings and never do it. Up to you. I'm just going to go ahead and set this up really quickly now, so I will tap on continue there. You have to pick a voice that you like.
The colors of the
I like
sky
number 4.
fade with the settings.
I'll tap on continue, and then Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Okay, that's set up, and then just read through that there, and then I'm going to go ahead and tap on continue. Improve Siri and dictation. You can do not now or share audio recordings. It's optional. For me, I'm going to go with not now. Emergency SOS, go ahead and read through that and then tap on continue. Welcome to iPhone, go ahead and swipe that up and you're ready to go. And I can just message here, set up cellular, because I didn't transfer my eSIM on here, okay? So if I want to do it like now or like later, I can always just go back to my settings here, go to cellular, and then tap on set up cellular. And then for myself, I can just do transfer from iPhone nearby, which I have the phone number on this phone here, and I can do it that way, but I'm going to do it at another time. Anyway, there you guys go.